Picking the best web hosting for your site is a very tough decision, especially when you are just starting out. There are thousands of service providers to compare from, and they all provide different levels of features, performance, and prices. Whether you're starting a new blog, an online store, a local business, or your own personal site, this video would help you pick the best web hosting company for you, while saving you money at the same time. As always, if you want more information and to get the latest deals and coupons for the sites mentioned, be sure to check all the links in the description box below. Alright, let's get started right away. Our number one and best overall pick when it comes to affordable web hosting is Bluehost. Bluehost offers a complete hosting solution made specifically for WordPress and are powering over 2 million websites worldwide. They have a 99.99% uptime, making them one of the most reliable options in the market. All of their plans come with a free domain, free SSL, one-click, and 24/7 customer support. Their easy-to-use interface allows you to sign in, choose your domain, install WordPress in one single click, choose a theme, and create your site. They are the official WordPress.org recommended web hosting platform, which makes using them a no-brainer. If you choose to use Bluehost, we highly recommend you get started with their basic plan for $2.95 per month, which is 63% off their regular price and is consistently the most affordable and budget-friendly plan on the market. To get started with Bluehost, make sure to check the link in the description. For number 2, our pick is WP Engine. If you are looking for the best premium professional web hosting for businesses and small enterprises, then WP Engine is your ideal choice. WP Engine is a hosting company based in Austin, Texas. They primarily focus on speed, security, and site scalability. All of their hosting plans are specifically built for WordPress sites and comes at a higher price point. The main benefits WP Engine got over other hosting platforms is the consistent performance, simple carefree website management, and the top-notch WordPress optimization. It's the most popular hosting solution for startups, and there's clearly a reason behind it. So if your site is getting bigger, or you are building a new website and want it built upon strong fundamentals, you should definitely consider going with WP Engine. To get 3 months free on any of their annual plans, be sure to check the link in the description box below. Our number 3 pick is HostGator. If you are looking for the absolute cheapest mainstream solution in the web hosting market, then HostGator is your best bet. They currently offer a massive 90% discount on all of their plans. This discount dropped their basic plan to a ridiculous price of 99 cents per month, which trumps anything else in the market in terms of pricing. While their prices are extremely affordable, the features that come with HostGator's plans will appeal to many new website owners. They offer an easy website builder, free SSL certificate, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 technical support. Their basic plan specifically comes with 10 gigabytes of disk space, 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, one MySQL database, and one email account, which is more than enough for a brand new site. To have a look into HostGator's 90% off plans, make sure to check the link in the description. Moving on, number 4 in our list is HostGator. HostGator is a well-known hosting provider, powering over 9 million websites worldwide. Their hosting plans are some of the cheapest options out there, with prices starting at $2.75 per month on their 3-year plan. HostGator offers flexible features, such as unlimited bandwidth, email accounts, disk space, and built-in cache on all plans. In addition, all of their hosting plans come with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, free SSL certificate, easy WordPress installs, and a free domain for a year, which is not something any hosting company provides. The website building process on their platform is very easy to use, with simple drag and drop options and the ability to use unlimited number of domains. They can also assist you with free migrations within the first 30 days of your sign up. This is it from us for now, guys. Now it's your turn to look into all these options and choose the one that suits your needs the best. Still have questions? Make sure to leave them in the comments section and we'll answer them right away.